Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I really feel like I built my YouTube channel on, well, you know, when I was 14, I thought I had the best makeup and fashion taste in the world. 10 years later, I still love fashion and makeup. I think that my style is very unique to me and I love sharing that. And I see a lot of you guys online always asking me like what I would wear to this or how I would style this or what's a good summer outfit or you know, all those types of things. I thought today would be kind of perfect to do what I wear in a week, some outfits that I gravitate towards and stuff that I'm constantly re-wearing or things that I've just kind of like picked out for this video that I thought were cute. Sometimes when I do intros, I get like winded. Like I do too much. Sorry. Thank you so much to Dossier for sponsoring today's video. If you guys don't know what Dossier is, I have worked with them before. They are an amazing perfume company and their whole message is that luxury perfumes don't have to be so expensive. So to feel luxurious and sexy, you don't need to pay hundreds of dollars. And I know that because designer names or packaging or collaborations, celebrity endorsements, sometimes these perfumes can go for $400, $500 that are on the market right now. They're beautiful and they smell amazing, but it's so unrealistic to continually purchase a $600 perfume. So they really specialize in doing designer fragrance impressions. I hope you guys all enjoy what I wear in a week. I hope you guys take inspiration. If you do, please send me photos and I will chat to you guys soon. Okay, this is something I would wear every day. This is casual, very chill. This I would say is like the most everyday go-to look. So I have these vintage Levi jeans. I feel like once you find your one true vintage jean that really works, you're set. My top is actually from White Fox. This belt is Arium. I actually got these shoes recently at a vintage store and they are Hermes. Again, just a loafer, I'm a big loafer girl. Got a big vintage bag to carry. And yeah, this is just something I would wear every day. It's casual, it's cute, we love it. Okay, for this look, we're going with Fruity Oak Moss. This is very light and daytime and subtle and fresh. This is something I would just wear if I was running out to lunch. My loafers are by the row. This skirt is Danielle Guzio. This top is Meshki. And then I believe my little headscarf's actually from Zara. So this look, all in all, is pretty affordable besides the shoes. But honestly, any white loafer will do. I love an all white moment. It's never that great because you can ask anybody in my life, they make fun of me for being a klutz and for spilling on myself. So anytime I wear white, I'm doomed, but I love how it looks against tan skin. I've been really into the headscarf lately. I think I wear it almost every day. And the truth is, it's so I don't have to do my hair because you can't see anything. It has patchouli, sandalwood, incense. It's like a sexy, just a really sophisticated scent. And I think anytime you're in a headscarf, you gotta wear something sexy and sophisticated. This would be my scent of choice with this look. Okay, so for this look, I feel like I would wear something like this on a summer evening. If I was traveling and it was really warm somewhere, or even if I'm just at home in California, this would be something I'd throw on for a summer dinner when I knew the weather was going to stay hot, even when the sun sets. I have a little pink moment going on. I have this purse from Etro that I actually got at their fashion show in Milan a couple years ago. I actually never carried this bag and I'm loving how it kind of ties the magenta jacket with the light pink heel. My jacket is actually from a vintage store. I grabbed this when I was in Paris. It's one of my better finds. I think I was in Paris or Saint-Tropez was this find. This jacket is from Missoni. It's vintage. I wish I could link it, but I'll try and find something similar. But honestly, if you just go to like a thrift store or a cute vintage store, you don't need to find something Missoni. And then the top that I have on underneath is from Kukai, which is an Australian company. I have this little swim skirt from Black Bow Swim, and I just have some nude shorts so I can wear it out. And then I found these awesome pink heels from Chanel a really long time ago, and I love them. This is what we would call summer evening glass of rosé. This is the vibe. This perfume by Dossier is the perfect perfume to match my look. It's called Ode and Rose on Fire. It's this feminine but really floral light scent, and I feel like it goes really well with this outfit. This is kind of another just like casual daytime, nighttime look. So my jeans are from the Vintage Twin, and they're vintage Levi's. Somewhere there's a patch on my butt. Then my top is solid and striped. This headscarf is Diane von Furstenberg. The boots I actually got from Sororite Vintage, but I'll try and find similar stuff. And then the bag's vintage as well, it's Fendi. You don't necessarily need to get the exact pieces in any of these looks. They're just meant to pull inspiration from or just look at if you like them, but I'll definitely try and find similar pieces or dupes on my Like to Know It page. So yeah, I'm a big fan of this look. Again, I'm in a headscarf because I think I wear a scarf around my head almost every day at this point of my life. It's kind of perfect. This outfit is something I would probably wear most often. I don't remember if I've said that already with other outfits, but I mean it with this one. I wear these loafers almost every single day. They are so broken and uncomfortable now that I think I could like actually hike in them. They're by Prada, but again, I will link other alternatives that I think are similar. Pink little Chanel bag. These shorts I'll link below, they're from Redone, and then my top is Kukai. My sunglasses are Chanel, I believe they're vintage. Yeah, this is probably what I would wear most common for real, especially in summer. This is just your classic everyday look, nothing else to it.